Oh, hello. This is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. The goal of my YouTube channel is to share with you how I cook at home using my perfect cooking system. I'm going to share with you in this video of what my family and I cook and eat during this past week. During this period, I cooked 7 dinners for my wife, our 26-year-old son, and me. I had most of my ingredients prepped in advance. I use all fresh ingredients and use minimum amount of processed food. I took on average 30 minutes to prepare each meal. For Monday night, I cook 2 dishes. The first dish is chicken with broccoli, zucchini, and asparagus. The second dish is a fried rice dish with onion, frozen vegetable, and canned ham. For Tuesday night, I start out with an egg dish with onion, mushroom, and canned tomatoes. The second dish is the chicken dish with onion, carrot, and tofu, and be served over white rice. On Wednesday, I cook a vegetable dish with ground beef to serve over rice. I cook a vegetable medley with onion, carrot, broccoli, cauliflower, and purple cabbage. I then cook the ground beef in a teriyaki sauce to go over the vegetables. On Thursday, I cook 3 dishes. I start out with a large vegetable medley with onion, carrot, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, yellow squash, asparagus, and sugar snap peas. I also cook a stir-fried salmon dish with onion and eggs. It's a very simple dish and it takes only about 5 minutes. I then cook a beef dish with onion and mushroom in a teriyaki sauce. I use flank sticks for this dish. For Friday, I cook a wholemeal fried rice dish. Use yellow squash and zucchini. I also use 8 ounces of venison pork mixture that a deer hunter friend gave it to me. On Saturday, I make a spaghetti sauce with onion, cauliflower, carrot, and zucchini, in addition to some Italian meatballs. I make the spaghetti sauce from canned tomato sauce, a canned tomato paste, and canned diced tomatoes. I added the pre-cooked Italian meatball that I bought from the supermarket. This is the other highly processed food in addition to the canned ham that I used this week. For Sunday, I cook a shrimp dish with asparagus, onion, and eggs to go with some of the leftovers from the previous dinners. Let me summarize of what I cook this week. On Monday, I cook 2 dishes. The first dish is a chicken vegetable dish, and the second is a ham fried rice. On Tuesday, I make an egg dish with tomato and mushroom, and I also make a chicken dish with tofu. On Wednesday, I make a single dish, a vegetable medley with ground beef over it. And on Thursday, I make 3 dishes, a vegetable medley dish, a stir-fried salmon dish, and a beef dish. On Friday, I make a wholemeal fried rice dish with venison and pork together with zucchini and yellow squash. And on Saturday, I make a spaghetti dish with vegetables and Italian meatball. On Sunday, I cook a shrimp dish with asparagus and egg to go over with the leftovers from the previous week. For most of the meals this week, 90% of the prep is already done. I select the ingredients based on what I need to use up first. I also cook the dishes based on what we feel like to have that evening. Cooking dinner used to be a head scratcher for me, but not anymore. Now, every time I walk in the kitchen, based on the ingredients that I have, I always looking forward to the new opportunities to try something different, even though they might be a variation of the same theme. I really enjoy the creative aspect of my everyday cooking. I really hope that I have given you some ideas for you to try in your home cooking. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to receive notification of my future postings. See you next time and stay safe.